So let's start today with natural structure of insulin and genetically formed humulin. सबसे पहले natural structure की बात करते हैं. So first of all, it is in the form of prohormone, that is in active form. Insulin का prohormone. It contains A chain, B chain and also C chain, which is a short stretch of polypeptide chain. फिर इसको processed किया गया, right? It gets processed and it becomes mature insulin, which is having only two polypeptide chain, that is A and B, and they are joined by disulfide bonds. Then we'll move on to genetically formed humulin. So first of all, from pancreas, insulin is isolated. From that also, insulin producing genes are isolated. On the other hand, bacteria is taken. ठीक है, फिर उसमें से प्लाज्मिड डीएनए को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. बैक्टीरिया के पास तो प्लाज्मिड डीएनए है ही, तो उसमें से वो एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, उसको रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम से कट किया जाता है. तो नाउ अवर प्लाज्मिड इज रेडी टू बिकम अ वेक्टर. फिर वो प्लाज्मिड को लेते हैं और उसके अंदर वी आर एडिंग द जीन, इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूसिंग जीन. सो नाउ इट बिकम्स प्लाज्मिड वेक्टर. तो उसके पास अब क्या हो गया, आर डीएनए हो गया ना, रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए आ गया उसके पास. देन दैट डीएनए इज एडेड इनटू इकोलाई. वो इकोलाई को फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाइड किया जाता है इन फर्मेंटेशन टैंक एंड नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस लॉट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन इंसुलिन. All this human insulin A and B, all these are produced separately और उसके बाद उनको डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड से ज्वाइन किया जाता है in case of humulin. Now let's see previous year's questions based on this topic. So first is genetically engineered insulin for human is produced from, just now we saw it is produced from E. coli. Then given below are two statements. One is assertion and the another is reason. Assertion क्या है? In human beings, insulin is synthesized as a prohormone, correct? Which needs to be processed, correct? Before it becomes fully mature and functional, correct? The extra stretch of C peptide is to be removed from A and B peptide chain of insulin, correct? So भाई हम बोल सकते हैं कि A is correct and R is also correct, or R is the correct explanation of A. So third option. Next is statements related to human insulin are given below. ठीक है, इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है अबाउट जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड इंसुलिन, नॉट नेचुरल बट जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड इंसुलिन, राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज प्रो हार्मोन इंसुलिन कंटेन्स एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेच ऑफ सी पेप्टाइड, ये करेक्ट है, बट ये नेचुरल इंसुलिन की बात हो रही है. Then A peptide and B peptide chains of insulin were produced separately in E. coli, extracted and combined by creating disulfide bond between them. ये सब करेक्ट है, लेकिन किसकी बात हो रही है? जेनेटिकली इंजीनियर्ड इंसुलिन के बारे में. Now next is insulin used for treating diabetes was extracted from cattle and pigs. This is for natural insulin. Pro-hormone insulin needs to be processed for converting into a mature and functional hormone. This is also correct, but in case of natural insulin. Some patients develop allergic reactions to foreign insulin. That is also correct, but in case of natural insulin. So now the correct statement about genetically engineered insulin is B. So option B should be correct. Move on to next. Which of the following statement is not correct? The pro-insulin has an extra peptide called C peptide is correct. Functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by which bonds? By disulfide bonds. ये तो हाइड्रोजन bonds है, ये तो गलत हो गया. Genetically engineered insulin is produced in E. coli. Correct. In man, insulin is synthesized as proinsulin. तो भाई यहाँ पे ऑप्शन कौन सा आएगा? Not correct. That is going to be 2, B. We'll move on to next. With regard to insulin, choose the correct options. C peptide is not present in mature insulin. Correct. The insulin produced by rDNA technology has C peptide. Does it have? No. The insulin produced by rDNA technology does not have C peptide. So it is wrong. The pro-insulin has C peptide. Correct. A peptide and B peptide of insulin are interconnected by disulfide bridges. Yes. Super correct. So by A, C and D, all three are correct options. Only B is wrong option. So we'll choose first option, that is A, C and D only. That's all for today. Any doubts? You can add it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.